Welcome to traffic system number 3, automated sales machine. Up until now, we've focused heavily on content creation, audience growth, organic traffic, YouTube authority, and digital visibility. But now, we move into something even more powerful. Because attention alone is not enough. Attention must eventually become revenue. And this is where automation changes everything. Inside this module, you'll learn how to build AI-powered sales systems that can generate leads, automate conversations, validate products, and create scalable sales ecosystems. Using WhatsApp, AI chatbots, meta ads, automation tools, and fast execution systems. And honestly, this is where many people finally begin understanding how modern online businesses really operate. Not through manual effort alone, but through scalable systems. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is believing that views alone create income. But in reality, attention is only the beginning. Because traffic without conversion does not create a business. This is why inside AI Business Engine, we focus heavily on systems that transform attention into monetization. For example, somebody may watch your content, click your link, enter your ecosystem, speak with your chatbot, and eventually purchase a product. That entire process becomes a sales system. And the beautiful thing is, today, much of this process can be automated. Meaning, the system can continue operating even while you sleep, travel, or work on other projects. And honestly, this is one of the reasons automation is so powerful, because systems scale more easily than manual work. Now let's talk about WhatsApp automation, because today, WhatsApp can become an incredibly powerful sales tool, especially when combined with AI and automation systems. Inside this module, you'll learn the difference between manual systems, semi-automated systems, and fully automated ecosystems. And honestly, all three approaches can work. What matters most is execution. Now imagine this. A person clicks on your advertisement, enters WhatsApp, and immediately receives automated responses, product information, images, videos, voice notes, or guided conversations. That changes the entire sales experience. Because instead of manually responding to every message, automation helps filter, guide, and assist potential customers. And this becomes extremely powerful at scale, especially when traffic volume starts increasing. Automation allows businesses to operate faster and more efficiently. Now here's one of the most important philosophies of this module. Speed matters more than perfection. Seriously, this is extremely important. Many people spend weeks or even months trying to create the perfect product, the perfect design, or the perfect system. But meanwhile, they never actually test whether the market wants the product. And honestly, that's very dangerous. Because real validation only happens when real people interact with the offer. This is why, inside this module, we prioritize fast execution. The goal is not to create the world's most beautiful product immediately. The goal is to test rapidly, to discover what people respond to, what converts, and what has real demand. Then later, once something proves it can sell, you improve and optimize further. Validation first, perfection later. Now here's something very important to understand. The market gives feedback very quickly, especially with paid traffic systems. When you launch advertisements, offers, or products, people immediately start showing interest or lack of interest. And this feedback is extremely valuable because instead of guessing emotionally, you begin making decisions based on real-world responses. This is why testing becomes one of the most powerful skills in digital business. Sometimes, a product may work immediately. Other times, it may fail quickly. And honestly, that's completely normal. The goal is not avoiding failure completely. The goal is testing intelligently and adapting rapidly. Because every test creates data, and data creates clarity. This is why inside AI Business Engine, we encourage speed, iteration, and experimentation. Fast feedback accelerates learning. Now, let's simplify the entire automated sales ecosystem. Because honestly, modern digital businesses usually follow a structured flow. First, traffic enters the system, usually through advertisements, content, reels, short-form videos, or audience attention. Then, that traffic moves into a conversation environment. In this case, WhatsApp. And inside WhatsApp, automation systems and chatbots help guide the conversation, answer questions, present offers, and move people toward decisions, which creates a scalable sales process. Now, obviously, not every system will be 100% automated immediately. Some systems may remain semi-manual at first, and that's completely fine, because the goal initially is validation and momentum. Then, over time, you optimize and automate more aggressively. Automation evolves as the business grows. Now, let's talk about AI chatbots. Because honestly, this is one of the most exciting parts of modern business automation. Today, AI systems can respond to messages, answer questions, guide conversations, send images, send videos, process voice notes, and assist customers automatically, which dramatically reduces manual workload. And this becomes extremely powerful when traffic volume increases, because eventually, manually replying to every message becomes very difficult to scale. This is why automation matters so much. And honestly, we are still at the very beginning of this technological shift. AI-powered communication systems are becoming more intelligent every year, which means people who learn these systems early gain a huge advantage, especially inside digital products, affiliate marketing, and online business ecosystems. AI allows businesses to scale conversations much faster. Now, here's something extremely important. Successful products are rarely discovered through overthinking. They are usually discovered through testing. This is why, inside this module, we focus heavily on speed and experimentation. Because the more offers you test, the more opportunities you create to discover winners. And honestly, this changes the psychology of business completely. Instead of becoming emotionally attached to one single idea, you begin operating more strategically. You test different products, different hooks, different advertisements, and different sales angles. Then, the market tells you what works. And once something proves it can generate sales consistently, then you optimize deeper. Then you improve branding. Then you improve design. Then you scale. But first, you validate. Testing creates clarity faster than perfectionism. Now, let's talk about execution. Because honestly, many people consume courses, videos, and information endlessly without ever applying anything. And that creates zero results. Inside this module, I want you thinking differently. I want you testing, building, launching, adjusting, and improving. Because action creates experience, and experience creates clarity and skill. This is one of the reasons we emphasize fast implementation. Not because everything must be rushed carelessly, but because real-world execution teaches faster than theory alone. This is also why I recommend following the lessons step by step. Apply while learning. Do not wait until you feel ready, because confidence usually grows through action. Momentum is built through execution. Let's close this lesson with one final idea. Modern online businesses are increasingly built through systems. Systems that attract attention, generate leads, automate conversations, create sales, and scale operations. And today, artificial intelligence accelerates all of it, which means ordinary people can now build highly scalable digital ecosystems faster than ever before. This is why traffic system number 3, automated sales machine, is so powerful. Because this module connects traffic, automation, AI, and monetization into one scalable ecosystem. And over the next lessons, we're going to start building that system step by step. We'll explore meta ads, WhatsApp setup, chatbot systems, automation flows, product validation, scaling strategies, and AI-assisted sales workflows. This is where attention begins transforming into automated revenue systems. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.